happening, everybody? TC here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, SMKW.com. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2023. Let me tell you something. We are really excited to see what is going to be the new hotness this year. And that's what we're about to talk about. Let's light it up. I think we've got a lot of cool stuff in store. In today's video, we're going to talk about my top 5 things that I am looking forward to in 2023. Number 1, what's going to be the new hot blade steel? So last year, CPM MagnaCut took the knife world by storm. Everyone was up in arms. Who was going to be the first person to get it out there? It's going to be interesting to see what the new hot steel is going to be. You know, if you look at, I guess, publications online and stuff, some of the ones that I've had my eye on are going to be ones like H2. So that is going to be the next iteration of H1. What they've done is not anything revolutionary. The composition is going to be roughly the same. They've just refined all the individual elements going into it so that the microstructure is going to be a lot finer. It's going to be even more corrosion resistant than H1. So that's going to be interesting to see. It's going to be interesting to see if, you know, if it actually lives up to that. So really looking forward to seeing what H2 brings to the table. Also, another one that I'm really interested to see is going to be Apex Ultra. Apex Ultra is a new low alloy steel that's coming out. And it's really being highly touted for its forgeability and its like pattern welding forgeability. So this is going to be one of those that is going to be really great for forging. Also, they're saying from testing, from what I'm seeing, is that it's going to be hardenable up to like somewhere around 66 Rockwell. That's insane. For wear resistance, edge retention, it's very resistant to chipping, cracking, or breaking when under great stress. For something with that high a Rockwell to not have issues with chipping or cracking or being brittle, that's insane. So that's going to be one to keep our eye on, Apex Ultra. The only downside to Apex Ultra that I can see is that it's not stainless. But that is still going to lend itself to being a phenomenal blade steel as long as you take care of it. Also, we've seen Vanax finally make a splash into the knife market. It's been kind of difficult to get a hold of, especially through COVID, but with our exclusive from MKM, collaboration with Jesper Voxnays with the Vincent, we got to see Vanax really make a big splash in the knife market, and really excited about that. Also, another one of Spyderco's knife steels making a big splash this year, possibly with their Spy 27. Now, if you actually look to Spyderco's Mule Team and see what new blade steels they are looking at for testing, you've got Spy 27 Mule Team out now, or coming soon rather. Also coming soon is going to be CPM Rex 15, or Rex T15, excuse me. So that's going to be another one that's we're going to want to look at. Also, another one is going to be 15V. That's another one that I've heard and I'm thinking is going to be a big splash this year. It's you know, it's a little too early to tell, but we'll see, you know, what kind of entrance that makes. And also M398. Those are the blade steels that I think are going to be ones to keep our eye on for this year and see how they do, what they do, and who comes out with new knives in those. And that's really going to make the difference, is what knife makers are going to use these new blade steels and what they're going to come out with that's going to be revolutionary. So that's really what I think is going to make the market. It's not going to be any one blade steel this time around like it was last year. I think it's going to be a combination of blade steel and what knives are made with it. That's really going to make the difference this year. I think the knife itself is going to have to make the blade steel and vice versa. I think it's going to have to be a collaborative effort. So it's going to be exciting to see what's going to be coming out on the front of blade steels. That's going to be exciting to see. Also, in that same vein, what's going to be the new big handle material? So we've seen for the last year and a half, carbon fiber, fat carbon has been highly sought after, and all the different variations. Will they be coming out with newer versions of fat carbon? You know, we've seen of course, we saw the Arctic storm first. That was the really big one right off the bat. Lava flow was really big for a while. We saw toxic storm, purple haze come in. Those were very popular. Now it's going to be interesting to see what other new blades, what other new handle materials actually make a splash on the scene. So it's going to be interesting to see if there's any new handle material out there that, you know, makes a challenge for, you know, the front runners, and maybe some really specialized stuff. So that's going to be really exciting to see out there as well. Now, one thing that I'm personally really looking forward to seeing is the new Case 2023 vault pattern. And that, of course, is going to be...
Did you say that yet? I'm going to guess no by that last one.
So I'm really excited to see this new vault pattern. I'm really excited to see all the different variations of it. It's going to be really cool. Of course, this is one of my favorite all-time slip joint patterns. So really excited to see this come back and come out of the vault. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So really excited to see that. And stay tuned, because we are actually going to be talking with Mari Ford very, very, very soon about that. I'm talking within the next few days about that. So stay tuned. We're going to have a whole video for you just on that. Also, new knives from all the different companies. Now, I will say we've already seen some new 2023 releases from several companies, including Benchmade, Kershaw, ZT, CRKT, and we've got some exciting stuff coming up. I'm talking some OTFs, I'm talking some really cool new designs that are really pushing the boundaries of what we've considered normal in the knife world for so long. So really excited to see some of that stuff coming up. We've got some new content that we've already filmed and had in the can for the last 2 months. And I'm here to tell you, it's been really hard because we work in the media department. It's our job to tell everyone what all is going on and all the new stuff. So it's really hard when they tell us something new and then they're like, but you can't say anything until this date, because then I got to keep my mouth shut. And last but certainly not least, the thing that I am most excited about coming up in 2023 is seeing all of you guys. Now, I'm not trying to get all mushy here, and I'm not trying to get all sentimental, but honestly, the best part about this job and this business has been getting to know you guys and spending time with you guys, seeing you guys at blade shows. And that's one thing that we're excited about, is spending time out in the community. And we're going to be doing that more than ever this year. With all the events that we've got planned, it's going to be a lot of fun. We've got SHOT Show coming up in just a couple of weeks. We've got Blade Show Texas coming up in March. We're going to have demo days with Georgia Bushcraft coming up as well this spring. Then we're looking ahead already to Atlanta and Blade Show in Atlanta in June. And we're going to have some camping experiences for you this summer. We're also going to have a lot more outdoor experiences going on this summer as well. Might even do some meat processing, show you guys the process going through all that, and the knives that we use, and the knives that I personally use for that kind of stuff. Then looking ahead even into the fall, Blade Show West again, and it's going to be really, really exciting this year, and we're really looking forward to it. So folks, stay tuned. Now, what I want you to do next, tell us in the comments what you're looking forward to in the knife community this year. Tell us what you want to see from the knife community in the comments down below. That's what we want to hear, because that right there is what is shaping the business. Your opinions and what you guys want to see. So let us know in the comments down below what you're most excited to see. Let us know what you think is going to be the next hot blade steel. Let us know what you think is going to be the next hot handle material. What you think maybe some of these companies are coming out with. Maybe you've got an inkling or an idea. So let us know what you think they're coming out with. And let us know if you think you might know what that case vault pattern is for 2023. Guys, we really look forward to 2023 and interacting with you guys and seeing you guys. So we really appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. Happy New Year. And God bless you all. As always, it's been me, TC, here with Smoky Mountain Knife Works, smkw.com. And remember, if it cuts like a box of cookies from Jim McNair, then we carry it.